When someone asks you if you can afford something and you say yes, you need to pause. You looked at the installment price instead of the cash price. You may have calculated what it would cost in time, in interest, and in the options that would quietly disappear and still decided to buy. You said yes because you thought you could afford the monthly payment, because $300 a month seemed like an amount you could manage, because this amount was small enough that it would not obviously disrupt your current life. It seemed like money you could simply set aside from your earnings. Most important financial decisions are made this way, not through calculation, through fit. Does this payment fit into my monthly budget? If yes, I can afford it. The question of whether you can truly afford something has been replaced by a much simpler question. Can I cover the monthly amount? And the answer to that simpler question is almost always yes. The system is designed precisely around this, to get you to spend amounts you can afford monthly. Welcome to 5 Minute Money. This channel breaks down powerful, practical, and motivating insights about money. In just 5 minutes, you'll learn something that can help you think smarter and do better with money. If you find value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Now, let's continue. The monthly payment is not the price. It is the price made invisible. When a car dealer quotes you a monthly payment instead of a total price, they are not being helpful. They are collapsing your decision-making into the smallest possible number, the one most likely to produce a yes, the total cost of the vehicle, the interest over the loan term, the insurance increase, the maintenance. None of this is in the monthly payment, but all of it is in the purchase. The affordability illusion works because of how the human mind evaluates costs. Individual payments appear small. We do not naturally calculate totals. We compare the proposed payment to that month's breathing room. $300 fits. Therefore, it is affordable. This is not a failure of intelligence. It is our nature, and it is a vulnerability that modern consumer finance has been built to exploit. Buying something often feels good, whether we need it or not, but paying for it does not. Consider what the monthly payment model does to a car purchase. A vehicle priced at $30,000, financed over 60 months at a reasonable interest rate, costs significantly more than $30,000 by the time the final payment is made. Add insurance increases, maintenance costs, the opportunity cost of the down payment, and the true price of that vehicle is not the sticker number. It is not even the loan total. It is the full financial consequence of the decision across its entire lifetime. Most people never calculate that figure. They remember the monthly payment. They remember the yes. They chose instant gratification over total cost. The same logic applies to subscriptions, financing arrangements, buy now, pay later schemes, and any structure that separates the decision moment from the total cost. Each individual payment is small. Each individual yes is easy. The accumulation is invisible until the month arrives where all the small yeses have consumed all the available breathing room. The true cost test is not complicated. Before any significant purchase, ask 3 questions. First, what is the total price, not the monthly payment, but the actual total including all interest and fees? Second, what is the hourly cost? How many hours of your working life does this purchase require, expressed not in money, but in time? Third, what does this decision foreclose? What other choices, what other flexibility, what other options does this commitment quietly eliminate? These 3 questions do not always produce a no. Sometimes the calculation confirms that the purchase is genuinely worth what it costs in total, in time, and in foreclosed optionality. But the calculation changes the decision, because you are no longer comparing a monthly payment to your monthly breathing room. You are comparing the full price of a thing to the full value it provides. Monthly payments are a design choice. They are designed to produce yeses. When you evaluate a purchase based on its monthly cost rather than its total cost, you are operating within a system built to maximize what is extracted from your income while keeping each transaction feeling manageable. The question is not whether you can afford the payment. The question is whether you have seen the real price, the total, the time, and the options you are giving up. Because the payment will end. The financial consequences of the decision continue for much longer, and the most expensive purchases in most people's lives are not the ones that felt like major decisions. They are the ones that felt like easy yeses to a number that was small enough to fit.